Hello everyone, today we are going to do part 5 of test worksheet for class LKG and UKG. Let's start. Here again we are going to do A sound, E sound, I sound, O sound, U sound words. So A sound words, these are families such as AP family, AN family, AG family, okay. In this EN family, EG family, ET family, these are called A sound families and E sound families. So let's AP. We have to fill here to make a word. So let's cap or nap, tap, anything you can fill. This is a pan, P-A-N, P-A-N, K-A-P. This is AP, app, K-A-P, cap, an, P-A-N, pan, egg, egg, then T-A-G, T-egg, tag, tag. This is N, N, an, N, P-E-N, pen, pen, egg, egg, ag, egg, leg, L-E-G, leg. See the difference between AN and EN. What is the difference between A and E? A is a. A is a, E is a. Okay, when we pronunciate it, so the mouth will open wide. Okay, in this not that much wide. It's an, pen, N, N, A sound, A sound. These are the difference between these two. Okay, they say ag, 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 egg, egg, leg, tag, tag, leg. See the difference between pronunciation. Pronunciate 2 or 3 times, you will easily get the difference between these two, A and E sound. Okay, next is, we can write here net, N-E-T, net. Now I sound, pin, P-I-N, pin. That is pig, P-I-G, pig, or B-I-G, big, you may write anything. Sit, S-I-T, sit, sit, sit. O sound words, H-O-T, hot, H-O-T, hot. T-O-P, top, T-O-P, top. Sun, S-U-N, S-U-N, U sound. U stand for A. S-U-N. B-U-G, bug. S-U-N, sun, B-U-G, bug. Okay, A stand for A. E stand for A. K-A-P, cap. P-A-N, pan. T-A-G, tag, pen. P-A-N, pen. L-A-G, leg. N-A-T, net. I stand for E. P-E-N, pin. P-E-G, pig. S-E-T, sit. O stand for O. H-O-T, hot. T-O-P, top. U stand for A. U stand for A. S-U-N, S-U-N, sun. B-U-G, bug. Use of these, those. As like this and that. There is a one object here, more than one object, so we use these and those. If arrow is near to the objects, we use these. We use these. If the objects are far from the arrow, we use those. Okay, if the objects are near to the someone, we use these. If the objects are far from the someone, we use those. Such as These stars are near to the arrow, so we use these. THESE. These are stars. If the objects are far from the arrow, we use those. THOSE. Those are cars. Those are cars. Next one is caps are near to the arrow, so we use these. THESE. These are caps. Taps are far from the arrow, we use those. 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 Pencils are near to the arrow, so we use these. These are pencils. इसको एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं. These are stars because stars are near to the arrow. Those are cars because cars are far from the arrow. These are caps because caps are near to the arrow. Those are taps. Taps are far from the arrow. These are pencils. Pencils are near the arrow, so we use these are pencils. Write one word with each letter. यहाँ अल्फ़ाबेट्स दिए हुए हैं, आपको वन वर्ड लिखना है. अपने बच्चों को बहुत हार्ड वर्ड अभी सिखाने की फर्स्ट में ज़रूरत नहीं है. 3 लेटर वर्ड्स इट्स एनफ फॉर देम. धीरे धीरे जब वो 2 से 3 लेटर करते हैं ना, फोनिक्स लर्न हो जाती है, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली 4 लेटर वर्ड्स याद कर लेते हैं. 4, 5 याद हो जाता है. पहले 3 लेटर वर्ड्स पे उनको कमांड हो जानी चाहिए. सो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 3 लेटर वर्ड्स. VAN, van. NET, net. ZIP, zip. TAP, tap. JUG, jug. LEG, leg. INK, ink. DOG, dog. MAT, mat. RAT, rat. O for OWL, out. Next, V for van, N for net, Z for zip, T for tap, J for jug, L for leg, I for ink, D for dog, M for mat, R for rat, O for owl. Next one is color the vowels. Here we have to find where is vowel and then we have to color it, okay? Such as A, E, and next one is I, O, U. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस देने से बच्चों को अच्छा भी लगता है कि वो कलर कर रहे हैं और फाइंड आउट भी कर रहे हैं वोवेल्स को. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज